Well, Greg, there was a mother and a daughter, both with COVID, who were living out on this property as recently as Tuesday. They didn't want to spread COVID to their family members. Now they're having to stay at a hotel because the tribe says this property is no longer safe.
All right, I found it.
The posting started last weekend on Twitter.
Closed to the public, quarantine zone.
Then appeared on Facebook videos.
Look what's going on out here. Everybody needs to see this.
And on YouTube channels.
So you're telling me this is, they're just clearing it to clear it?
Fears of a secret quarantine site, perhaps for the unvaccinated, being built in Pierce County.
Looks like they're just getting to work on it. There you have it, folks. They're doing it.
The posts triggered comments mentioning violence and comparing the site to a concentration camp.
We weren't bothering anybody out here. You know, the Nisqually Tribe was out here taking care of our people like we do. And now look where we're at.
The chairman of the Nisqually Tribe, Willie III, says since the early days of the pandemic, this property near Roy, owned by the tribe, has housed people who voluntarily quarantined themselves from their families to prevent COVID outbreaks. More than 30 have stayed in the cabins or RVs.
We had the facility occupied when all of this ruckus started.
After the threats, the tribe doesn't think it's safe to house anyone here.
And these are set up in a manner that they are ready to be occupied by somebody.
The room with extra hospital beds in case of growing pandemic numbers is now blocked off so no one can come in.
It's ridiculous. You know, it's beyond ridiculous.
Tribal Council member Hanford McLeod says it's hard for a tribe whose ancestors were persecuted to be accused of building a concentration camp when there's a simple explanation for everything.
They let you know what's going on, not just, you know, somebody driving through your neighborhood saying, hey, they're building a concentration camp over there. Let's go burn it down. Who does that?
The tribe's health officer says they're seeing a spike in COVID cases right now because of the Delta variant. And they say they would like to get more folks into these cabins and the RVs, but the tribe's chairman says that will not happen until this area is safe again. He does not know when that will be. Live near Roy, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.